cool. Gonna give a quick um, overview as to what I see right now in the market, what's going on in the market, and what I think we will do today. First things first, we have swept a fucking shit ton of levels to the downside. I hope that is understandable. We have swept so much liquidity to the downside that I think we might just possibly go lower. Alright, we have a SMT here with previous week low. We're starting to reject. This is a 1 hour BPR, if I'm not mistaken, that we're respecting. And we're also respecting an inversed. Where's the inverse 4 hour? Right here. The lowest inverse 4 hour. We do have new week opening gap right here that we could come down and potentially touch, which I wouldn't be surprised if we do. But realistically speaking, I want to see this previous week low be the real draw of liquidity. I want this to be the real draw for today. We really didn't even sweep this low for real. Oh no, yeah we did sweep. Quad relative equal lows got swept. Relative equal lows didn't get swept here, so we have a double stacked SMT at the low. This could be a good zone for us to finally reverse from. We just created a weekly low. So either we continue lower and then we end the week around here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised because look, we inverse this entire weekly somewhat gap. This kind of looks like an accumulation on the daily, if I'm not mistaken. It looked like we accumulated, manipulated, and now we're slowly starting to trickle down and distribute to the downside, which I do think anywhere down here on these MAs and these like relative lows down here, I think high time frame, that's what we're aiming for. So I am gonna stay a bit bearish. I do think we're gonna have a pullback from overnight just completely shred. So I have a 4 hour fib level, the lower high to the lower low right now. So I want to see if we could tap into any of these zones, respect midnight level as well, not disrespect it, and then continue lower. My draw on liquidity is probably going to be this new week opening gap. New week opening gap is probably going to be the draw. Honestly speaking, we tap back into the new week opening gap, we're good. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, but overall that's my thought process right now. I'm gonna turn on PJ, see what he sees and see what he thinks. But yeah, we have a double stacked high time frame SMTs at the lows. Respecting this 1 hour BPR, we're respecting this 4 hour respecting this 4 hour inverse down here, so we're gonna see this could be complicated a bit. Because all the draws already have been taken, so it could get a bit complicated. So honestly speaking, I want to see us tap into 15-minute gaps right now. Just 15-minute and hourly gaps and respect them. That's all I want to see. Respect for the respect 15 and hourly gaps. Mech model today is going to be nothing but fucking Prince. Mech model continuations. Like right now, I feel like this is a clean 15-minute breaker after sweeping so much liquidity. On both, if I'm not mistaken. Clean 15-minute breaker. But market opens right now. Like first of all, we need to see if this candle breaks structure. If it breaks structure, I'm taking it to this high. Yeah, bro, I might just take this. It's like 2 micros. This is bad habits though, but we're delivering. No, I can't take this. Can't take this actually. It's bad habits. If there's like a 5 or a 1 minute gap that could be respected. Cause high time frame, yeah, there's LR on the 1 minute. Huge 1 minute gap on the downside with relative equal lows. So if we sweep that, tap it, and respect it, I'm going in long into a 15-minute gap. OB. These are all internals that could potentially get hit. So I got the 4 hour. So I have internals that could potentially get hit right now are this 15-minute OB, 15-minute gap, 15-minute gap, and hourly gap here. All of this, which is still below the equilibrium of this leg. Wow, this really could just prove me. Again, I want to see that 1 minute get respected. I'm gonna take this with 2 micros. I'm gonna take this with 2 micros on my fund and future accounts. And then I'm just gonna watch this market. Market is slowly dumping this down. We didn't even touch the 1 hour. I think ES did though. Yes, ES did and Q didn't. Huh. Disrupt LR. Alright, let's turn on some PJ, see what you got to say. And we'll determine our buys from there. Okay, so let's see what happens. I do have this tiny 1 hour. Want to see it get disrespected though. Market open. No way, it didn't sweep it. Wow. I'm in no positions. 1 hour BPR just got tapped. Plus 1 5-minute gap. 1 ES. Same here. This 5-minute goes inverse. It's confirmation. And we're just gonna keep dumping, bro. So yeah, hourly SMT right here. Boom, 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 boom. This is insane. This is ridiculous. Yo, this is crazy. How many points was this? 120 points already is insane. Insane skis. There's no levels here. Accumulation. This may have been the manipulation, like down, up. No, but remember, high time frame was still super bearish. One minute continuation. shit recovery. Tap the 5 minute. I'm in long. Because this is literally printing. Yeah, easy 600. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck? Hourly gap now got tapped. SMT now. We're in a 1 hour gap now. Again, I'm telling you, it's literally about to hit the 15-minute OB. It's gonna hit the 15-minute OB. Judas swing, papa. This would have been easy prints, 15-minute. Hourly gap now being respected, but we have SMT in the hourly, SMT at the bottom, high time frame. Alright, let's see what it does here at this 1 minute BPR. If we could even get down there. No, I want to see a retap of a gap. Hourly gap just got tapped. Nope, still not tapped. Very strong reversal. But again, I'm saying it. We had to come up first to them come back down. So I do think we're going to come back down afterwards. Because this is disgusting. We're going to close somewhere around here. The next 15-20 minutes, we're going to close somewhere around here. Just because there's going to be a 4 hour gap created up here and still respected. Yes, now we dump. SMTs internally. I'm waiting for the next 5 minutes to give me that work. One minute BPR here, be respected. I'm in this into this next 1 hour. This is going way too strong now. I'm in this higher now. To that 1 hour IFG. I'm in that higher. Okay, I'm out of that trade. Didn't like it. Didn't like that. Didn't like that. I should low-key hold that. Low-key. Yeah. That was bad for me. I should have continued holding. That was really bad for me. Boom, SMTs. Don't know if we go. We might touch 15 first presented or the 1 hour CE. Yeah, this is what I'm. New 15-minute. I'm into the long, back into the highs. Cool, just printed. Another 600, I'm up 1,000 on each account. Everybody's shorting, but I think we're gonna skip digits and go higher. Another resweep. Just got a nice another resweep of this. Got a nice resweep. SMTs here. Relative equal highs now, fuck's sake. A lot of relative equal highs here at this level. The 850 level has a lot of relative equal highs. Going higher, 850 levels has a lot of relative equal highs. I like that for higher. Boom, wonderful. Done for the day. Done for the day, done for the day. Tapped another 15-minute gap. There's another higher 15-minute gap up here that I want to see us get tapped into the next 4 hour. 30-second gave me that entry. So this 30-second wick down here, boom. You could already tell. Fucking amazing, bro. Amazing. This is gorgeous, bro. Thank you, God, bro. Thank you, God. Yeah, we're creating a lot of SMTs. Honestly, kind of done for the day on these accounts. Okay, I'm locking myself out. I'm locked out. Let me go into my Fund of Futures now. Let me wait till 10 o'clock. See if that shit does really play out. Do want this shit to play out though. I'm still gonna wait just because we're gonna reach this 15 first presented, maybe reject off of it. I don't want the 4 hour to close like this because I want the 4 hour gap to be present. But no, bro, no, this is just bad. We're gonna respect midnight level, hopefully. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see, wait and see. Yeah, let's keep it here. If we could keep it here, it's fucking perfect. Oh, exactly. Wonderful. Just exact. Bro, this is exactly what I said. Let's close. Leave the 4 hour. Let's close. And now let's go for a reversal play to equal these relative equal lows. I don't think we're gonna get down there though. Is there a 2 minute? If we get 2 minute inverse, 5 minute gaps anywhere. 5 minute gap by the inverse 1 hour. We are beyond good, bro. Let's see if we could get this 2 minute confirmation. Is there a 15 minute gap? 15 minute gaps are about to get printed, honestly. We need like a 5 minute pull or some shit, bro. Again, need this 2 minutes to close. To this low. Fuck, bro, this is so wide of a stop. It's too much. I want to wait for 10 o'clock. Print this 1 minute breaker. Get the resweep. Print this 1 minute breaker. Come on, print this breaker. Got the resweep, money sweep. Boom. That's it, you got the money sweep. Oh, it's gonna keep fucking going. No fucking. SMTs here. There's no way we just did. So if you would have gone in here, this candle closure, held it to first presented 15, you would have printed 200 fucking points. 200 points plus. That just doesn't print. This one is it. This one is it. I'm taking a 30-second inverse here. Wow, it's so close to that gap. I'm still zero on my fun futures. I haven't touched shit. My top steps are fucking printed. Minute CE got tapped. I think we're just gonna chop up here for a bit and just print this shit lower. This fucking 4 hour is retarded. What the fuck is good with this 4 hour? 1 minute. This is ridiculous. What the fuck? I should have left the runner.
What did you make?
1,700 across 2 accounts.
Go chat.
And
We're
that's
fucking locked in, nigga.
that's all profit because my buffer's already at 5K on each account, so that's all profit for today. So 1,700 times 2. I made 34K for 3,400 is my next payout confirmed.
Go, baby.
Yes.
This is where I need the TPT, bro.
Yeah.
Cause I would have fucking left these shits. I didn't want to sell.
I would have left the runner.
Nigga, my shit was going up and I did not want to sell.
I had my levels all mapped out. I was like, bro, there's no way we're just gonna hit these levels this easily, bro.
I didn't even catch a lot.
Yo.
I caught this. Later, I caught the bottom tick.
Oh, you bottom ticked.
Right here, nigga. Right here. As soon as we crossed that blue line, I got in, nigga. I sold at the top of this candle, and then I was like, bro, this shit's gonna keep going. Like, we just fucking reclaimed that whole drop in one candle. I was like,
literally.
Fuck.
Now I feel like this whole lunch session is gonna be to fill in those equilibriums. I haven't traded on my other accounts. I just took my 2 tops up accounts. That's it.
Well, low key, I only made 400 on the move up because I caught the move down too. I top tick on the hourly when we like on the first candle.
Yeah.
When we failed that hourly high from the last one, I got in. Then I didn't like how I was moving. I made 200.
Yeah, now on the 30-second it was clear for me. On 30-second right here, these 2 candles closed. What just confirmed the 1 minute. I was like, nah, bro, this is way too fucking strong. I got in. I held it to this first 15-minute right here, and then I just TP'd with like a rack, and then I got in one more trade.
If I had the live data, I bought. I think I bought 25K on TPT. It's worth it.
Yeah, that's fine. Bro, it don't matter. TPT's just for daily.
Because it's 1,500 and it's 3 minis max. Nigga, I'm gonna just trade 1 mini. Nigga.
Oh, what?
Yeah, nigga, what? Like
3 minis max?
Yeah, you can do 3 minis max or 30 micros, bro. What?
That's not bad.
So I was like, I'm gonna buy that, and then you get the daily payout on those.
Yeah, word. That's calm. That's honestly calm.
Shit, hold on, somebody's calling.
Dale. Alright, now there's a 4-hour gap. Can we take out this high? Nah, we're just gonna shred now. This looks way too clean for us to not just shred. I feel like we're just gonna shred, bro. But I need to see a confirmation. I need a confirmation, huh? 2 minute. 2 minute gap down there. I'm in on sell. I don't think we're gonna sweep that high. I think we're just gonna go. Is there a 15-minute gap down below anywhere? Yes, there is. Can we continue? I need better gaps though. These gaps are shit. 5 minute at 860. These relatively go lows. Yep, I'm in on the short to these 5 minute gap right here. Mech model. Are we gonna inverse this 5 minute? Let's inverse this 5 minute. Come lower. Really get a deep retracement. Let's get a nice deep retracement where we sweep these relative equal lows on the 1 minute. Let's sweep these relative equal lows. And I'm a happy man for the day. Okay, never mind. I heard somebody say 24,900 is key level right now. I'm out of that. Break even right now, so far. Maybe we go higher, maybe we go lower. This is not confirming me anything yet. SMT, if anything we find like a 15 minute, 5 minute. Can this 5 minute be it? Where's your 5 minute gap? This is my 5 minute gap right here. Minute inverse to the upside. I'm into midnight level. We get this 1 minute inverse to the upside. I'm in to midnight. Other than that, right now I'm leaning to this 5 minute down here. I'm leaning bearish still. But again, we get this 1 minute confirmation here. Alright, so let's see. This is a 15-minute first percentage, so which is rough. This is what makes it rough. It's a 15-minute first percentage. But did we close that? No, we didn't. I'm going lower. I'm jacking the lower, man. I'm waiting for this. We need to go a little bit lower, down into these 5 minutes. Yeah, this has to retrace into the 5 minute. We have to respect this 15 minute. This 1 minute hasn't gone inverse. Yeah, wonderful flip. All done. Let's fucking go. This 5 minute needs to. Yeah, I think we just need to tap into this 5 minute. That's about it. Stronger closure. All done. Lower. Can we go lower now with more volume? This is holding too well. Out of there again. Holding way too strong. Should have displayed stronger already. We respected the 1 minute. But they're holding this 15 minute inverse way too strong. we get this inverse. Second pullback. 30-second pullback. Again, I don't trust this shit, bro. I don't trust this shit. I'm going lower, bro. I don't trust this shit, bro. I really don't trust that. I think it just manipulated people. I really think it just manipulated people. Down into the 5 minute. Again, down into the 5 minute. Let's go. Down into the 5 minute gap. Down here. Down into the 5 minute gap. Yes. I like higher too, but we need to tap into the 5 minute, bro. Short us lower, bro. Short us lower. Yes, bro. Stronger, stronger. This is too weak. Strong displacements. Too weak for my liking. I'm out of there. Too weak for my liking. Again, still too weak. It was too weak for me. Too weak. 5 minutes. Let's see what the 5 minute is looking like. I need to see this. I was in that trade to the downside, back into this low, into this 5 minute gap, but it just looked way too weak. Just because on the 30-second it displays so clean back to the downside, but too weak. This could potentially be a nice breaker though. Yeah, at the end of the day, I'm already green for the day. I don't really want to lose today. And I'm up 300. Build the buffer at this point on this account. Like, I'm only up 180 on this account. Like, I'm just building buffer, basically. Again, we still need to respect this fucking 15 minute. Need to respect this 15 minute, bro. I'm not taking this shit higher, bro. The only way I'm taking. I'm going lower. Going lower, going lower. Out of that, 250 for the day on each. What is that on my funded? Quick scalp. I really don't want to be in this trade. I already had like a euphoric high. 250 times 3, 7, another 750. I'll take that, but I really want to see this 5 minute SMT. I want to see a 5-minute internal SMT for continuation tire. That's what I want to see. 5-minute SMT anywhere here for higher. Great day, 4K day. Oh, this would have been so clean. Yes, tap the gap, yes. I think we're chopped for the rest of the day. Either we're chopped or we just continue lower because we failed the lower high on the 4 hour. I'm not mistaken. We actually respected a 4 hour gap. So I do think if anything we come lower into this gap. What was this gap here? 1 hour. Yeah, I do think we come back to the 1 hour down here. Yeah, I see this just selling, bro. Oh, 5-minute SMT. 5-minute SMT within a gap. It's my bread and butter right here. I would absolutely take this 30-second inverse or a 1-minute inverse in there like swimwear. Perfect. Hold that, hold that. Hold that. Hold that, don't tap it. Is there a 15-minute gap as well? Oh, we're gonna create a 15-minute gap lower. Don't think we're gonna. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna tap into the gap. Okay, let's see. I'm still on my fund of futures. I'm up 250 on the account, so I'm not really risking too much. Or we could take a continuation lower to the other 15-minute gap down here. This might be a better RR trade though. Nope, let's go into the 1 minute. Are we gonna inverse this? Okay, perfect. Can we inverse this gap? Yep, we're inversing it. If we respect this hour, this 1 minute up here. Yeah, I think we're chopped. I think we're chopped. Hmm. 15-minute. 15-minute aligned with the 5-minute now. Lower, but oh. Let's see. No way this SMT is playing out, bro. And I didn't take it. No way the SMT is playing out and I didn't take it. I don't like this 15-minute gap here, bro. This cap right here is fucking with me. I'm ready for this shit to go lower, bro. But I'm waiting for midnight level, tap, boom, reject. Because it's still... I don't want to see a change in character. Come, retouch the sissy. Boom, sissy. Alright, I'm in long. What's midnight level at? 35? Cool. I'm in there. I need this shit higher now. I need it to go to midnight level now. I'm in right now. I'm in because of this sissy. If I hit 250 and draw down, I'll close it just because I'm trying to end the day break even on this account. I don't really care. Yeah, I'm going for these continuations. We got relative equal highs on 15 higher, and we got midnight levels. Plus, we have London Ace is still above midnight levels that need to be touched, but I don't think so. Boom. Got stopped there. Oh, got stopped out there. Done for the day. Don't really care. Out. Done. Don't mind it. Closing out everything. Got stopped out there. Sucks. Sucks. I thought we were gonna continue breaking with volume, but no. I think we're just gonna chop around here. Then we'll see the movement later. Lower. So or we might just close here, honestly. Just chop for the rest of the day. So, done for the day, don't really care.